Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
You don't set. Tribunal don't begin. Watch the moment Peter Obi's lawyer gets into the court. Watch the moment Labour Party, Peter Obi and Baba Ahmed Dati walks into the court. And hear what is happening now in the court. It's an interesting time to be alive in Nigeria. It's an interesting time to witness how the justice will be served. It's an interesting time to see Peter Obi and Labour Party reclaim their mandate. Watch the video and continue to share it. God bless you.
Morning, bro. Agora cara,
When he said he will deliver rivers to APC, I started wondering how. APC have never made 25% in rivers. How?
All the matters passionately and give justice to whoever justice should give. Because of the proceedings, we solicit your cooperation. Let us avoid making sensational comments and statements, because that will not help any of us. Let us avoid it. Let us look at the peace and safety of this country. That should be paramount in the mind of each and every one of us that is here. It matters. So I think I would like to introduce members of the panel. By my immediate right, the Honorable Mr. Stephen Jonah Ada. Then by my immediate left, Honorable Mr. Bolaji Yusuf. And we have Honorable Mr. Blockrono Hugo. Then we have Mrs. Abba Mohammed. So we are the panel that are going to we have 5 pending petitions for us. We intend to take off with the pre-hearing sessions. For today, we intend to take petitions number 1, 2, and 3. At least those ones, each of them can have a bite. Then 4 and 5 can take off tomorrow. So we will be alternating. Maybe when we take 1, 2, and 3, we can add 1 to Wednesday. Then take 4 and 5 tomorrow. We are going to Thursday. So we alternate like that until those places are able to conclude with the hearing session. So see your cooperation so that we do that, knowing very well that election must time bound. So let us avoid unnecessary time wasting applications and objections, so that we look at the substance of the cases rather than unnecessary technical arguments. Hope and cooperate with each other so that everybody who is here will be satisfied that justice has been done. Thank you. So you can see that the court has been overtaken by lawyers, members of the cabinet. None of them very few of them have seats. So maybe when we start the matters, please let us scale down the number of council who will be here, so that members of public will also have space for them to sit and to let them. Yes, there is a response from the bank.
This my by what your lordship has said, we, as usual, are ready and prepared to cooperate with all lordships, the judicial, by extension. What your lordship has said that matters make a very system of our nation. We as lawyers are not mindful of that. We are not unaware of our responsibilities as members of the bar. I want to assure your lordship that we are going to give the court our unflinching support at all times. Whatever the court will want to do to accelerate all the matters, we are ready and prepared to give the court our support. I think I speak on behalf of all our colleagues here irrespective of what a client or what you or clients you have come to support. Justice has one face, only one face, and one destination, the attainment of justice itself. We are going to cooperate, we are going to assist our work and doing just that. You are welcome, madam.
Well, find it necessary that we want.
Yeah, but occasion like this, given the nature of the matters involved, we, the petitioners who have brought these petitions for my noble lords, we want also to identify ourselves with this pledge which has been ably placed by our brother Silk to cooperate with their lordships. We appreciate the enormity of the responsibility on our shoulders as council, not only as ministers, Deputy of Justice, but we also owe a duty to the nation because of the monumental issues involved. We consulted amongst ourselves and we have decided to convey to your lordships our resolve to assist in whatsoever your lordships will decide in this plenary session to facilitate, identify, and streamline all the issues so that this matter can be quickly disposed of, so that the nation will know which way forward. Once more, welcome you, as my brother said, we are very, very grateful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
On behalf of the petitioners in petition number 3, I fully associate myself with what my brothers said. Whatever we can do to ensure that my laws render their judicial activities seamlessly, we are going to do as far as these petitions are concerned. We are not unmindful of the fact that these petitions have involved a lot of public interest. Indeed, at the end of the day, I'm very confident that these petitions will impact on Nigerians' electoral jurisprudence, will also impact on judicialism and constitutionalism. So we will do whatever is possible to assist the lordships. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Very good morning, Lords. I actually thought Chief Government had spoken behind the bar. But since it appears everyone else wants to have a bite, it's clear they will be balanced if I'm going to also speak. So, my Lords, I want to completely align myself with the commitments made on behalf of the bar. We recognize the importance of this matter, as always. On behalf of my colleagues on this side, I pledge our total commitment and support to your lordships. And we are confident that at the end of the day, justice will be done. Thank you, Lord.
We will call out the petitions. They said that CA 01-2023, Action Alliance, AD and other, was an independent national electoral commission, INEC, and three others. Petition number 2 is CAPC 02223, Action People's Party, APC, Bola, Anani Tinubu, and 2 others. And number 3, CAPEPC 0323, Mr. Peter Ligri Obi and another versus Independent National Commission, ANIC and others. Allied People's Movement, APM, and Independent National Electoral Commission, ANIC and 4 others. Then number 5, CAPEPC 05-2023, Abubakar Atiku.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.